Your standard issue flasks include 2 Erlenmeyers that are 125 milliliter capacity and 1 Florence flask. This round flask is called a Florence flask. Use the Erlenmeyers for the original 2 reactions with aluminum and zinc. The round flask, the Florence flask, is for an experiment of your design. You'll need to be able to use your balloons well today. The goal is to capture the gas in a balloon. I've stretched this balloon out a little bit. I need to be able to stretch the balloon over the top of the flask like so. If you're clumsy, you may try to do that and the acid that is in the flask will spill and everybody will be upset. So practice first is what I recommend. Snap. If you have skill, it's easy. Today you'll be working with a different concentration of acid. This is your standard issue hydrochloric acid, says 2 molar. Today, in the Hindenburg lab, you'll be using 6 molar. This capital M is pronounced molar. 6 molar hydrochloric acid. I'm going to show you briefly how these different types of acids are made. I have here concentrated acid, 10 molar HCl. To make 2 molar, I must dilute it. So here is some distilled water. I need 80 milliliters of distilled water. So 80 milliliters of distilled water. I'm going to pour that into my bottle and add to it some of the concentrate. There's the water. I'll need 20 milliliters of this more concentrated acid. Alright, so that's now 2 molar, a dilution of 10 molar. So you're using this acid today. It's 3 times more concentrated than your usual. That makes it at least 3 times more dangerous, probably more. So the more concentrated the acid becomes, the more dangerous it is. At the end of the hour, we'll do our explosions at table 3. Only at table 3. I'll be in charge. I'm now going to ignite the balloon. So this balloon is filled with hydrogen gas. And if I bring it to the fire, we'll see what happens. Table 3 has an exhaust fan. It will take away some of the toxic fumes that are created when we ignite the balloon. Sounds like this. This is the second balloon, similarly filled with hydrogen gas. I'm expecting you to help clean up the mess at the end. So please do your part. Clean it up.